guys, welcome back to my channel. So to start off, I'm going to prime my face using the Porefessional from Benefit. And now I'm going to do some color correcting. I'm using the orange concealer from LA Girl. And I'm going to use my fingers to blend that out. And for foundation, I'm using the NYX Total Control Drop in shade 13. And now for concealer, I'm using the Age Rewind from Maybelline. And now to set everything in place, I'm using the Ben Nye Banana Powder. And now for brows, I'm using the Ka-Brow from Benefit. And now for the eyes, I'm using the Sweet Peach palette, and I'm going in with this first shade to set all over my eyes. And now for the transition shade, I'm going in with this first shade all over the crease. And then I blend and blend until I see that there is no harsh edges. And now I'm just going to remove all the bakage. And now back to the eyes, I'm popping this shade all over the lid. And then I went back with the outer crease and I intensified it because it was just matching the lid color, and I wanted it to be a little darker. And then I went ahead and put some highlight on my brows and my inner corners, and then put some color under the lash line. And then I use this color to make it seem like I have an eyeliner. And then I went ahead and popped on some Queen Bee lashes from Koko-Lashes, and then I bronzed my face with the Shade and Light palette from Kat Von D. And now for the best part, I'm going to highlight using the Anastasia So Hollywood. And then to set everything in place, I'm using my Mario Badescu Rose Water Setting Spray. And now to finish the look, I'm using a ColourPop liquid lipstick. And this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.